Are you a real estate agent that would like to get into making content, but you just don't have the budget in order to hire out a video editor, or you just don't have the time in order to create the content? Well, I'm going to be showing you exactly how AI can solve both those problems, and so you can actually be on the leading edge and be the authority that you need to be in your market using video content in order for you to generate more leads and to get more referrals from hitting up your past clients in your database with video content marketing. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. Artificial intelligence has literally changed my business as a real estate agent. Not only am I now netting more money because I don't have to have 4 or 5 employees handle my whole entire video production side of things, I'm also making more money with using artificial intelligence and leveraging it. So it's a double whammy. And every single real estate agent needs to be using AI in order to grow your real estate business. You want some more time with your family again? Those mundane tasks that you used to have to do can now get solved with artificial intelligence. So if you're someone that wants to dive deep into using AI and learn how it can make you $100,000 more this next year, well, then you're going to want to go to the description. There's a link to my course. My team and me have personally benefited immensely from AI, and I show you exactly how you're going to be able to do the same. There's now 2 tools that I've used for video editing that's completely changed. I used to spend thousands and thousands of dollars and have multiple different employees to do all my video editing and all my social media management, but these 2 tools have replaced all those people, and it's taking me little to no time in order to edit these videos. The first one is going to be Descript. So for all those people saying, hey, I don't want to be a technical person, I don't want to learn how to use all these things on Adobe or other platforms in terms of editing, with Descript, if you can simply use a Word document and backspace and enter certain words with its voice cloning, you are now a video editor. And that's how huge these artificial intelligence applications are. With Descript, you also have a audio enhancer tool. With just a click of the button, you can remove all the background noise. You can have way better audio. You don't even need a professional microphone anymore. Plus, now it has smart recording where it knows when you've messed up, it knows when you do ums and ahs, and it automatically takes all that out of there. And it's for a low, around $30 to $40 a month is what you can use this application for. So there's no more excuses on not you being able to afford doing your content or having the time. It is simple. I was able to edit an entire YouTube video in around 5 minutes time, where this used to take me a week if I tried to do, ultimately leading me to hiring someone else. So if you're someone that wants to learn exactly how to take your video production to the next level with AI, well, then go to the description. You're going to want to use my course that's specifically made for real estate agents on how they can level up their business using AI tools in order to increase their video production and start getting more sales. The next major tool real estate agents need to be using is Opus Clips. Now that we've produced that YouTube video and we posted it, we now can use that link and go to Opus Clip, and it makes us 7 reels based off of what call to actions they think are going to go the most viral. So it will put the best hooks right at the start of the video and edit and mash it up in sequence where it will give you a virality score. And the best part about this is no more do you have to download from one application, wait a couple hours if you have sucky internet in order for the video to download before you post it to YouTube, Instagram, whatever platform you're going to be using your short form and repurposing it on. You can literally do this all inside the Opus Clip web browser, where you can schedule and instantly post directly to all those platforms right from there. I can't stress this enough. AI has been game-changing for my business as a real estate agent, not only just making me have more time to spend with my friends and family or to prospect harder so I can get more deals, but also have cut down major expenses. These 2 applications have personally saved me over $40,000 a year in employees. How much net income does that make? That is a huge bulk in order for me to be able to get my goals financially by adopting AI. So I want everyone to know and experience the same benefits I have from using artificial intelligence. So if you're someone that's really interested and just feeling overwhelmed, don't quite understand what AI is, my course is broken down very simplicity. So every step of the way, you're going to be able to implement these different AI tools into your business, and it pretty much costs you nothing in order for the return that you're going to get. So go to the description down below and go to the link there, and you'll get access to my course when you register.